Hello, welcome to another microbit video from me, Mr. Morrison. So today we are going to create a night light with our microbit. So you can see that I've got my microbit beside a light. It's actually my bedside light. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch off my light and look, all the lights come on the microbit. So the microbit was waiting for the light level to drop below a certain level and then it would switch all the lights on. There you go. So we are going to code this on our microbit. Hello. So to create our night light, we're going to use the forever block to begin with, and we're going to use logic. I'll explain logic more in another video, but for this we're going to have this if true else. So essentially, if something is true, it'll do something. If it's not true, if it's not happening, it'll do something else. We're then going to go into logic and find a comparison. So here's my comparison here. You may have seen this symbol in maths before, and it is less than. So if and we're going to put a thing in here called light level, if the light level is less than, and put in a number. Now, this number will be dependent on your room. I find that you need quite a low number for this project to work well. So I'm going to say 5, but you might have to adjust this to another number. Then I'm going to have show LEDs, and to have my light, I'm going to cover all the LEDs I can. Here we go, all of them like that. So they will all light up when the light level drops below 5. Else, if it's not below 5, it's going to be clear screen. So that means if I drop this light level, oops, that's the wrong way. If I drop it to 0, there we go. It's going to light up, but if I put it above, it's not going to light up. So that is my show LEDs night light. Download this to your microbit and see if it works. And I hope to see you in another video very soon.